Hi, my name is Lucero REPU. I'm going to tell you about a research I participate, and so far it has been my most important experience as a future biologist. In my second year of college, I was in an internship in the Laboratory of Bioinformatics and Molecular Biology. I participate in the project development of a biomicrofluidic platform associated with magnetic nanoparticles for tuberculosis diagnosis. Tuberculosis is a disease produced by the Mycobacterium tuberculosis bacteria, and the project consisted in to develop a biosensor that can detect proteins produced by the Mycobacterium that are present in the samples of sputum from patients. The project was in three parts. First, we have the production and purification of recombinant proteins. Then we immunized rabbits with them and obtained antibodies. And the last part was to attach these antibodies to the biosensor. So when we flow out samples to this platform, we we see a light if a protein is detected, and we can say that the bacteria is present in the patient. Mostly, I took part in the production and purification of proteins, and one of the challenges was that they were like 16 proteins. Sometimes one round was not enough to obtain the quantity necessary for the immunizations. So we have to go through 2 or 3 more rounds for one protein. The way I solved this was to first work a lot over time in the lab. Then I maximize the time. Sometimes we work like with 2 or 6 proteins at the same time. And the most important solution was to ask for help. This seems obvious, but at that time, the person I helped was busy preparing for an internship, so I was by my own most of the time. I was new in environments. It was the first time I worked in the lab. I has a lot of doubts and I struggled a lot, but then I asked for help from my partners from of the lab. That helped me a lot because I could progress with our project. I also helped them with their projects. I feel more comfortable in this new environment. While I work in the lab, I had so much fun. I learned a lot. So what was the most important I learned in that time was that there is no harm in asking for help. In fact, I learned that this is one of the pillars for science, because sometimes we the scientists can focus so much in just one way to find a solution that we couldn't see other alternative. In fact, this is a way that we can synthesize all the work that is obtained from the peers. We can find better solutions that can help with a final objective. So yeah, that was the most important I learned. Obviously, I learned a lot about molecular techniques, not only about production of proteins, also a lot about biosensors, also about extractions. I also learned about stem cells. I learned that from a peer, from a friend in the lab. And also, with these maximized times, I learned a lot about the workflow of the procedure of a project, and that helped me a lot with the organization of projects, of the procedure, of a schedule of the procedures at the time. So thank you for listening. I hope we see again. Bye.